Today I'm out changing the brake lights, these top two on here. Turns out that they're still working. Well, they might be on their way out. So occasionally I get a lamp out message, and I think it's these lights. So what I got is a 1/4 inch ratchet with a T25 Torx, and the easiest thing to do is just put it in there and, you know, loosen these bolts, and it should remove the outer cover. On this side, it looks like someone modified this and put a flathead bolt in there. Now here on the lower one, I'm using a T20 Torx. So here's what the inside looks like. You got this one connector with the red tab. I just pull out the red tab, and then you get the tail light off, and you got 3 bulbs in here. So we're only going to replace these top 2, and that'll be it. In fact, since the top 2 work, I may move one of the top 2 down to the bottom. See what happens there. So we got 4 Phillips bolts, and this is what we get. You can see the bottom one here. This is the reverse light. It's all fogged up. I think I'm going to move one of these over to that position and see how that works, and put brand new ones up top. So I moved that one over, and here's a brand new one, and all they do is they just slide right in real easy. You just push it down in, and that's all you have to do. It's hard to see, but the lights are working, so we can go ahead and torque down these 2 side bolts. The T25 and the T20 are actually different length of bolts. This is a longer one down here, so there's probably a reason why it's 2 different bolts in that case. One thing I did notice lately is these reverse lights, when I was in reverse, just wasn't really lighting up very good. That's probably because of how foggy this old bulb was. Now that I got a clear bulb in there, I think we'll have better illumination when I'm in reverse, so I'll be able to see what's behind me again. So this one here on the driver's side has definitely been messed with. This is a flathead screw that was in the bottom, and this one was kind of a stripped out T25 that was in the top. Now we're just gonna, it'll be like this when you open it up. At first there's a couple things, just gotta wiggle it off. There we go. And you can see there's a connector. This actually looks different than the other side. That is really weird. So yeah, I'm pretty confident this side's been messed with. This connector, if I flip it over, looks like that part's broke off. Made it too much of a headache to try and remove the connection, so I just removed the tail light from these lights. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side, put it back together, and then test them again.